Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a cute firefly, and these are the colors that I will be using. All right, so we're going to start off with the head, and we're going to make a circle, just like that. Okay, and we're going to draw the antenna. So one line up, a little circle, one line up as well, and a little circle. Okay, all right, so now the body, we're just going to make an oval shape just like that. Okay, and the part where it glows, okay, we're going to make it sort of like a tip at the bottom. Okay, all right, so now the wings, we're going to draw an oval shape, but we're going to attach it to the body. Okay, and the same on the other side. Okay, all right, so the other wing, which is the Electra, we're going to sort of draw an arch just like that, and we're going to connect it. Okay, and then as well on the other side, I'm going to try to make it look the same. There we go. Okay, so now just with the details, the face, I'm going to draw 2 circles just like that, and I'll just shade in the little pupils. Okay, and a nice cute smile. Now we could also draw little lines across. Okay, all right, now as I color it, I'm going to share some interesting facts on fireflies. So fireflies are beetles, okay, and they have 2 wing cases. I'm going to color this part brown. Okay. So there are more than 2,000 species of fireflies. So like all beetles, fireflies undergo complete metamorphosis, okay, with 4 stages in the life cycle. So we have the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult stage. All right. So most females don't fly, and not all glow. Okay, and they live in warm, humid climates found on every continent on Earth. Okay, so I'm also going to continue to color this part a light brown. Okay, and also the head. For the other wings, I'm going to color it in a baby blue. The adult fireflies, they feed on nectar and pollen. Okay, they don't really eat a lot. So fireflies talk to each other with light. Okay, so that's how they communicate to be around other fireflies and to defend their territory and to warn the predators. Okay, so I'm going to color the part where it glows yellow. Okay, right here where the tail is. They live approximately 2 months. Now, just to make it more effective, I'm going to also just make sure to draw the background here where the tail is a yellow, like it's glowing. Okay. All right, so I'm going to just go a little bit around it with a bit of my silver pencil crayon here. Okay, And I'm also going to just highlight it a little bit more with brown. Here we go. All right, so before I go, I have a cute joke. How do fireflies start a race? Ready, set, glow! Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on how to draw a cute firefly. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.